Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use Gimp for YouTube thumbnails. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Gimp. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to the top left corner and click on File. After that, go ahead and click on Open, or you can also click on Ctrl plus O in order to choose an image from your PC. So now choose the image that you want to use on your YouTube thumbnail. So I'm going to use this one, click open and then click on keep. And as you can see guys, now the image is added to GIMP. So right now, in order to modify this image, you can go right here to the left side of your screen. Here you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to edit your image. So you're going to find the selection tools, warp transform tools, scale, crop. You're going to find eraser, a paintbrush, smudge, paths, text, and so on. So for example, I'm going to add text. So we're going to add the box right here and then choose the color. Gonna choose white, click on OK, and here we can type the text that we want. For example, I'm gonna type thumbnail. Then we're gonna change the size of the text. So for example, 200. And now we're gonna make it bold. As you can see guys, now we added text. So right now, if you want to, for example, select an item in the image, you can go, for example, to free select tool and then select the item that you want. You can also crop it from the image. So for example, I'm going to go to select, click on invert, and then as you can see guys, the background is inverted. Now I'm going to go to edit and then click on clear. And once you click on clear, the background will be removed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.